from London.
Hi.
Yeah.
Kedu.
Okay, so I'm gonna ask him few questions in Igbo so that you can hear that he's an Igbo and he can speak, he can hear. So right now, bros, good morning, bros.
Good morning, My name is Harry.
Speak in Igbo. You have to speak Igbo. You say that you are hearing Igbos. You have to speak Igbo.
I don't speak Igbo too much.
Speak as you can. This is fun. Just speak as you can. Afagi, yes.
Harry.
Okay, yeah, speak it again. Let's hear. Speak it again.
Afagi na Harry.
Afam
na Harry.
Na Harry. Yeah. Oh, right. Seriously. Okay. Kevin or now.
I'm at Okoko.
No, Bubu. Okay, Kevin or Kita?
Okuku.
Okay, let me teach you. You are an Anom Akuku.
Anam Akuku.
Anom Aku.
Aman Aku.
Anam Akuku.
Akuku.
Okay, yeah, Kevin.
Anam Akuku.
You're welcome. You are trying.
Okay.
You are trying. Thank you so much. So Akuku na nugen. Onye ocha bia na bono. Enjoy your kerebo. Ni Akuku.
Akuku. I'm sorry.
No, you tried. This is a funny joke. You understand? So thank you so much.
Thank you, Cody. Kachifo.
Say it again.
Kachifo.
Okay, good afternoon.
Okay.
Efifioma. Oh yeah, you are trying. No. They on afugo no onye ocha bela ni Igbo we na amu Igbo. Omutago pa o. Yatago. Omutago pa. So, obialo maka na nne ye mmolo yatago. So, obiazie ka obia nie nne. Even na asukwa ebe a bụ Igbo ka omuta o. You understand? So you also have to console him that his mother died. You understand? He's in a painful, but not a painful death. At least Mama have already reached almost something.
Oh no, 97.
It's not a painful now.
Yes.
She have
lived
tried.
a good life. Yes.
She tried.
Yes.
Thank God, it's just a celebration of life.
Sure.
Thank God.
So thank you, all your viewers. Please all subscribe.
All right.
You know the thing. Press the bell.
NG channel. Please tell them to subscribe to my NG channel.
Please all subscribe to them.
NG
Goes NG
channel. All right.
So press that red bell.
Oh.
And thumbs up.
Oh yeah. Love you so much. Thank you, my brother. Thank you so much. Love you so much. You guys haven't heard it. This is a white man. We are now in their place. So as you can see, he's just enjoying himself because he's in Nigeria.
Yeah. With the sunshine, the heat. See, I'm sweating.
Oh, sorry. You guys have to say sorry. Say sorry. Okay, but it's okay.
Okay then.
Thank God.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
All right.
God bless you.
God bless you all.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, bye.
All right.
She confirmed the bag, she holla. Batara ego bụ Johnson Melia Ziggy Ra Keneme Ezeka no everybody we want them January to December me bull ride bata Defender call my mother My silver spoon full for me pick it area Defender call my mom 4 years for you to seek